Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to get location filters on Snapchat, a fun way to add a personal touch to your snaps. Whether you're traveling or just want to share your local vibe, location filters can really enhance your photos and videos. Let's get started with these easy steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. If you haven't already, locate that familiar yellow icon and tap it to launch the app. You'll be greeted by the camera screen, where all the magic happens. Next, take a snap. Open the camera and either capture a photo or record a video. This is where your location filter will shine, so make sure you're ready to snap something exciting. Once you have your snap ready, swipe left or right on the screen. This action will allow you to browse through the various filters available. Keep swiping until you find the perfect location filter to complement your snap. Now look for the location icon on the filter selection menu. It typically resembles a pin or marker. When you find it, tap on it to activate the location filter feature. Finally, choose your location. A list of nearby places will pop up. Tap on the location name you want to add to your snap, and voila. The location filter is now added, giving your snap a unique touch that shows where you are. And there you have it.